Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Miss Stephanie. Okay, in today's video we're going to be talking on 10 ways that your kidney need help. There is 10 ways to show that your kidney need help and 9 ways to prevent kidney disease, or we can still say 9 ways to keep your kidney healthy. The kidney is an organ in the body that actually filter fluids that will definitely send it out in the form of urine. And so when this kidney does not perform its function properly, it will definitely lead to a disease condition. The first sign to show that your kidney needs help is, first we have fatigue. That is when the kidney does not really filter fluid properly. The extra fluid accumulates in the body, or toxin accumulates in the body and destroy red blood cells. It can lead to anemia, and from there you start having fatigue. You start feeling weak. Even after doing a little strenuous exercise, you definitely feel that fatigue, tiredness, and the rest. All right, the second that we have here is feeling cold. That is, you feel chills or feeling cold. This can also be one of the signs of kidney failure, or that your kidney need help. All right, the third that we have, that is number 3, we have shortness of breath. There is shortness of breath here can be caused due to the fact that extra fluid and toxin accumulate in the lungs, because it is not properly filtered out of the body by the kidney. So it accumulates and actually goes right up to the lungs, which causes, when it enters the lungs, it definitely occupies the space or actually block the airway. And so due to that, it will lead to shortness of breath. That is, you have difficulties breathing. Maybe it can cause this accumulation in the airway, and there you have ineffective airway pattern, and due to that you have difficulties breathing. So you have shortness of breath. Even like when you lie down, you feel like when you lie down flat, that is with your back down, you will definitely feel like you're drowning. There is another sign. Okay, the fourth that we have is dry and itching skin. It can also be caused by accumulation of toxins in the body, since the kidney does not do its function properly. So it leads to accumulation of toxins and extra fluids in the body, and so leading to itching of the body and also dryness of the skin. We are going to talk on the kidney. In our next video, we're going to describe the structure of the kidney and its function. We're going to talk on the various parts of the kidney. And so we're just going to talk on the signs that your kidney needs help. So the fifth that we have here is foamy and bloody urine. Bloody urine, actually we call it hematuria. That is, when you see blood in your urine, you know that your kidney needs help. And also when you start seeing foamy urine, that is to tell you that there is protein found in your urine, and which you actually need to see a doctor for that. So there is the protein actually enters the urine, and blood also enters the urine, because there is a problem with the kidney, because none of that have to pass through the kidney, because when blood passes through the kidney, it is abnormal. And also protein does not have to pass through the kidney, it is also considered to be abnormal. And so when you start seeing foamy urine, it is actually protein found in the urine. And also when you start seeing blood in your urine, like I said, it is also known as hematuria, which actually needs a medical attention. All right, the seed that we have here is frequent urination, urgency. That is, you have the urgent to pee. It's frequent urination. That is when you feel like, even like you sleep at night and you get up and pee more than 3 times or even 4 times in the night. That is to show you that your kidney need help. That we have here is swollen ankle, feet, and even hands. This is actually when a lot of sodium has been accumulated in the body, and so it will lead to swell or hands. Before we move down to the 8, all right, if you're new in this channel and if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, and also ring the notification bell for more of this video. And don't forget to leave your comment at the comment box below. I will definitely reply to all of the comment. Thank you. All right, so let's continue. The 8 that we have here is bath and foul breath. All right, the 9 that we have here is metal test. And don't forget to leave your comment at the comment box below. I will definitely reply to all of the comment. Thank you. All right, so let's continue. The 8 that we have here is bath and foul breath. All right, the 9 that we have here is metal test. There is, no matter the food you take in, you have that metal test of the food. All right, the 10, which is the last sign that we have in this video today, is frank pain and lower abdominal pain. All right, so those are the 10 signs to indicate that your kidney needs help. Let's move down now to the various ways to prevent kidney infection or kidney problem or kidney disease. Or we can still see the various ways to keep your kidney healthy. So the first that we have here is proper hydration. Proper hydration here, actually, when we talk of proper hydration, I don't mean you should over hydrate yourself, because it will still not help the kidney. So what I mean hydration, that is by consuming 4 to 6 glasses of water each day or a day. The second way that we have here is stay active and fit. Yeah, staying active is like, there is actually here we're talking about regular exercise. Regular exercise, you can do exercise like three times in a week, like 3 days in a week. It will actually helps your body to stay active and fit. This exercise actually helps our body, it helps the brain. It does not just help the kidney to function properly, it helps the brain to function properly, it helps our heart to function properly. It helps to keep the blood pressure intact. And actually, it does not just help this, it also helps our body to keep it fit and also maintain a healthy weight. All right, the third that we have here is eat healthy food. Actually, healthy food actually helps our body. Each and every one of us, definitely we eat every day, but eating a balanced diet will definitely help us. Well, it helps our body to function properly, it will help the cells in the body also to function, and so due to that, it will keep the kidney intact, it will help the kidney to function properly. Okay, the fourth that we have here is for you to be careful of regular use of medication like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Example, we have ibuprofen, we have aspirin. These drugs are actually good in the body, but it should be taken only when it is prescribed by a medical personnel, and not just taking it because maybe you feel pain or you feel dizzy and you decide to take it. So take only when it is needed and only when a medical personnel actually asks you to take these drugs. Okay, the fifth that we have here is antibiotics. When we take antibiotics actually frequently, it can lead to it will definitely lead to accumulation of some that will definitely not be sent out of the body. Because one thing I want people to know is that everything that we take into the body definitely goes out, especially things like drugs, because it has to go out. That is why we have something like the half-life of drugs, because whatever you take into definitely goes out. The half-life of drugs is how there is a time taken for a drug to leave. There is a time taken for the active part of the drug to leave the body. And so there is anything that you take into the body, things like drugs, any substance that you take have to leave the body. If not, it will definitely accumulate and cause problems in the body. And so when the kidney is not functioning properly, taking antibiotic frequently can lead to can cause the kidney not to filter, or which will lead to accumulation of this antibiotic, which can definitely lead to problems in the body. The tip that we have here is for you to avoid using too many supplements. There is when you're taking so many drugs, it is always advisable to always see the doctor. You explain to the doctor, tell the medical personnel that you have a kidney problem. If you have one, you can inform the medical personnel, and the medical personnel will definitely know what to do with the supplement. So avoid using too many supplements. Seven that we have here is for you to keep your blood sugar level intact or at the normal range, because it can lead to, because if the kidney is not functioning properly, it will definitely, you start seeing proteins in your urine, that you start seeing forming urine and other you also see you not only see protein in the urine, you also find sugar in the urine. The eighth way to prevent this is by avoid too much drinking of alcohol, like reduce intake of alcohol, and definitely quit smoking. It is very advisable because this actually destroy the kidney. It that we have here is for you to avoid using too many supplements. There is when you're taking so many drugs, it is always advisable to always see the doctor. You explain to the doctor, the medical personnel that you have a kidney problem. If you have one, you can inform the medical personnel, and the medical personnel will definitely know what to do with the supplement. So avoid using too many supplements. Seven that we have here is for you to keep your blood sugar level intact or at the normal range, because it can lead to, because if the kidney is not functioning properly, it will definitely, you start seeing proteins in your urine, that you start seeing forming urine and other you also see you not only see protein in the urine, you also find sugar in the urine. The eighth way to prevent this is by avoid too much drinking of alcohol, like reduce intake of alcohol, and definitely quit smoking. It is very advisable because this actually destroy the kidney. It helps in destroying the kidney. So you avoid or you reduce intake of alcohol and avoid or you quit smoking. And the last way to prevent this is by checking your kidney. If you have a kidney problem, if you're obese, if you are an obese patient, you check your kidney frequently or regularly. If you were born with a kidney problem, make sure you check your kidney. If you're underweight, also make sure that you check your kidney properly. And if your family has a history of kidney problem, make sure that you check your kidney. So make sure that you see a health personnel, check your kidney to make sure that everything is intact and everything is functioning properly. Okay, so that is all what we had for today's video. If you're interested in this video, please don't forget to follow my videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.